Welcome. In this video, we'll talk about the production entry process in your central kitchen account. So, the first step is click on the inventory section. Then, click on the production section and open production master. To create a new production item, click on the create new tab. You will find two sections here, to and from. In the to section, we will select the raw material we want to produce. And then enter the production name, its quantity, and its unit. Then click on add. After clicking on add, you will see the from raw materials section. Select the raw materials which will be used to create the final product. Then select its quantity and its unit. By clicking on more option, you can set a default quantity for raw materials, in which you can select a default quantity which will automatically be deducted by the system when the raw material is used, which helps in smoother product execution. And if you enable auto production feature, then you don't need to execute the production manually. The system will automate the whole process whenever the raw material is used or consumed. Once all the details are filled, click on Save Changes. Then go to the Production Execution tab. Here, select the production type, whether it's direct production or production against PO. Then choose the production process and enter the quantity. And then select Send Selected to Production tab. You can also upload or download production records via Excel if needed. When you select production against PO, it means that whenever a user raises a purchase order for any raw materials that link to the production recipe in the kitchen, the system will automatically show you all the pending productions requests through those POs. Once you select that filter, you can export the details of those pending production before execution. If you want to check the same details in a PDF format, there's also an option to export PDF. Then the PDF will show you the final product being made and the raw material used to make that production, along with their prices. And the best part, you can even take a printout using a thermal printer for quick on-ground use. Finally, when the production is ready, click on Convert to Production. And your record will be now successfully added.